Systeme, or System, is an all-in-one platform designed to replace multiple marketing tools with one streamlined solution. It combines email, marketing, sales funnels, automation, and even course hosting in a single dashboard, appealing to solo creators and small businesses alike. Its biggest strength is simplicity. You can build landing pages, manage email campaigns, and create automated workflows without touching code. It also includes features like affiliate program management and membership sites, which usually require extra software. But it's not perfect. Some users on Trustpilot mentioned that while it's great for beginners, its design options can feel limited compared to specialized tools like ClickFunnels or ActiveCampaign. Other people have noted that there are quirks with email deliverability on large lists. Pricing is one of the strongest points, though. You can start with a free plan that includes up to 2,000 contacts, while pay plans range from 17 all the way to $97, significantly cheaper than juggling separate tools. Overall, Systeme.io is ideal if you want a single platform to launch and grow without overcomplicating your tech stack. But if you need deep customization, you might still need niche tools. Have you tried it? Let me know if it's been your all-in-one solution or just a starting point. And I'll catch you in the next video.